What is the step-by-step process for applying the 10 years Golden Visa? In this video, I'll be telling you each and every step that you have to go through carefully so you can apply successfully for your 10 years Golden Visa if you have already found out that you're eligible for a 10 years Golden Visa. Hello everyone, my name is Salman and I'm your licensed real estate broker from Dubai, and on this channel I tell you everything, every question is answered here in case you are thinking to move to Dubai or you're looking for any hacks or tips about improving your lifestyle in Dubai, as well as I tell you about different investment opportunities in Dubai. So as I said, in this video we'll be talking specifically about different steps that you have to go through if you are about to apply for your Golden Visa. But before you do that, obviously you would have confirmed whether you are even eligible for a Golden Visa of Dubai or not. And for that, I have a separate video on my YouTube channel, which you probably will find up here, or you can go on my channel and search it there, where I have specifically pointed out different pathways that you could take towards getting a Golden Visa and to verify whether you are eligible for it or not. Now let's start talking what are the exact steps of applying for a Golden Visa. The first and foremost interesting thing that I would like to point out here, which in my experience I'm pretty much sure about it, every other visa that you are applying for Dubai or UAE, either it's the tourist visa or either it's the resident visa, all of them can be applied for when you are outside Dubai. The Golden Visa is the only visa that I have found until now for which you have to be within the country to apply for it. So you probably are already inside the country, whether on your tourist visa or either on your previous resident visa, and now you'll be applying for your Golden Visa. So most of the time I have always seen my clients or my friends or ourselves being in the country when we were applying for the Golden Visa. Now, when it comes to the requirement, obviously you need to have your passport, which must have at least the validity of 6 months or more. If you're in the country and you had the resident visa, then obviously your Emirates ID. Apart from that, the proof of your eligibility document. So if you have been to my other video, you would have already learned either you are about to show your property investment documents, either you're about to show your investment documents into the publicly traded companies, either you're about to show the nomination letter for being a creative person, an artist, a content creator, a researcher, a scientist, or either you're about to show your salary certificates and stuff, which will prove that you have been receiving 30,000 or more salary for the last 2 years in the same company. Once all of these documentation is there with you, the first step obviously always is to get a pre-approval, which we could also call the nomination. So for this, again, you can apply on many different platforms. You could use the ICP application, you could use the GDRFA application, you could use the Dubai Now application, or the TAM platform. So first of all, you will upload your eligibility documents to get a pre-approval, which will again be kind of a second cover for being nominated from the immigration department that yes, you are eligible for getting a Golden Visa. So on all of these platforms, once you go there and you start applying for the Golden Visa, it will ask you for the different pathways that you're about to go through and what you are doing currently in Dubai that makes you eligible for that specific category of Golden Visa. And when you are going through that process, it will ask you for a relevant document related to that process that you can upload to get the nomination letter or the pre-approval letter. Once you have the pre-approval letter, again, the process is simple. Now we go back to the old process of applying for normal work permits. So we use the pre-approval letter, we use our passport scan, we use either our home country's ID both sides or Emirates ID both sides, and your picture and stuff, and we apply for the Golden Visa again on one of these platforms. And in return for that, we will receive our entry permit, which we will use to change our status in the country from tourist to a Golden Visa, or from a resident visa that I previously had into a Golden Visa. Normally the other work permits sometime are issued within the same day or 1 day or 2 days. For this, it might take minimum 6 days up to 20 days. And once you receive the entry permit, then you go back to the same process of doing your medical test again and doing your biometrics again. And after that, you will receive your Emirates ID or your visa that will be valid for the coming 10 years. And then congratulations, you are now on a 10 years Golden Visa of Dubai that again have a bit of different perks than having a normal 2 years Emirates ID. which I will also have covered on my channel, so you can look it up in the video sections of what different perks or benefits you have when you have a 10 years Golden Visa. Keep in mind, if this is connected to your property, whenever you are about to sell your property, your visa might have to be cancelled. So that point is very important to consider. Comparing to that, the other avenues that you came through, whether it was being a researcher, scientist, doctor, high salary skilled professional, those visas are already issued and they are not dependent on you not being a researcher or something. But the rules always change, so probably after 10 years, if they want you to bring up another document to show us that yes, you are still contributing in great ways to the community, which makes sense as well, so probably we might have to go through that process again. But 10 years is a long time to be stress-free and enjoy the lifestyle of Dubai and do whatever you're working in Dubai, any new idea and in your business, or just enjoying the life of Dubai. So I hope the questions, if you had any about different steps of applying for a Golden Visa, were answered in this video. If you have any specific question about any step, you could comment down below. If you want to explore the avenue of being an investor into real estate, since I'm a licensed professional, licensed real estate broker in Dubai, I would love to help you out and show you different investment opportunities that can make you eligible for the Golden Visa. And yes, just you can connect with me on my Instagram and TikTok, which are the links provided in the description, as well as subscribe to this channel, press the bell icon so you don't miss any other videos about Dubai, and stay tuned. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.